So according to Sheeran, you only need the following 4 chords to play any song. Those chords are D, A minor, C and G. Let's have a little closer look at those four chords. D, or D major to give it its proper title, is formed by holding down the first string at the 2nd fret, the 3rd string at the 2nd fret, and the 2nd string at the 3rd fret. C major is formed by 2nd string up 1st fret, 4th string up 2nd fret, 5th string up 3rd fret. A G is formed by holding down the 1st string 3rd fret, 5th string 2nd fret, and top string at the 3rd fret. Just a little exercise we can do to get ourselves moving around those chords is going from D to G, back to D, C, back to D, A minor, E minor to G, E minor to C, E minor, back to D, C to G, back to C to E minor, E minor to D, G to C to E minor, back to G, back to D. So that's it for this video. All that's left to say is that check that Ed Sheeran video out. Do a search on YouTube and Ed Sheeran 4 chords, whatever it's called. Yeah, do you know what? I'm not a fan, to be quite honest. It's like my type of music that he plays, but that boy has it. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and all the stuff that says, hey Michelle.